This channel is kindly sponsored by KA.Models.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs.
Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. We've had a prezzie from good old Ron and his Hetem folks. A massive thanks to good old Ron. Give him a sub, folks, underneath the video there. There's a link to Ron's channel, so you can go over and share the love. Be massively appreciated. In the meantime, big thank you to Ron for thinking of dear old Festa again. We'll get this open and we'll have a looky-loo, folks. I've got a feeling I might know what this is. He's gone and done it again, folks. He knows I'm doing a lot of 3D printing, bless him. So he's gone out and bought me another couple of kilos of resin, bless him. Let's get this open and we'll have a looky-loo, folks. Oh, bless his heart. He's so funny. He's got eyes like a hawk, as Ron. He knows what I'm up to all the time in this cave. I swear blind. He's got a CCTV camera or something here. He knows exactly when I'm running out of stuff. There you go. And there you go. There's a big old bottle there of the Elegoo ABS 3.0, a photopolymer resin, folks. And this runs me to 2028, this. And it's got all your usual advisory stuff there. And this is 2 kilos of the stuff. So, yeah, look at that. I ain't going to be running out of this very soon, am I, folks? And, yeah, I can go in and do all the settings on the printer and everything because, yeah, I like to test everything. But I've got a load of stuff that I'm going to be printing up, ready for when we get back to doing our Warhammer shows and that. And I've got loads of little bits and pieces that I want to print out and add to dioramas and stuff. So this really does come in handy. So a massive big old thanks to Ronnie Pops for thinking of me yet again. It's got Art of Gold and he's a very generous fella. He always thinks of his mate Festa. And if you want to come and find Ron, he's in the Zoom. That's where he resides in there. And he's also all over YouTube, guesting with people and doing live stuff and that. So he's about on there. And you whop a link to his channel and you can go and have a look to see what he gets up to. He posts a lot in the group as well. So he's a good old boy, is our Ron. So there you go, folks. That is a bottle of resin from good old Ron Hetem. In the meantime, don't forget, like, subscribe and hype the video, folks. And until the next one, I will see you soon. I'm going to go off and load up my 3D printer and get myself a bit of printing done. Till then, stay safe and well. Goodbye for now. And thank you yet again to Ron. Bye-bye.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down,